Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we'll be making sweet and sour chicken. This is a really quick dish to prepare, making it the perfect family meal.
Firstly, take one onion, slice the ends off, slice it in half, then peel, then slice your onion into half moons. Then take one washed red pepper, slice the ends off, then remove the core and the seeds. Now slice your pepper in half and then into strips. Next, take 150 grams of washed Mange tout, slice in half lengthways, then set aside with the pepper and the onion. Now take a wok and place it over a medium to high heat on the stove. Heat up some olive oil, then add 300 grams of diced chicken breast. Then fry the chicken until it's white all over. And now add back into the pan the sliced pepper and sliced onion. Then fry these ingredients for between 5 and 10 minutes until the pepper has just started to crisp up. And now for that delicious sweet and sour sauce, add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also open up 1 small can of pineapple chunks in juice, then pour just the juice into the pan. Stir all these ingredients together until everything's combined, then leave to simmer down if necessary in order for the sauce to thicken up. And when you're happy with the consistency of the sauce, add back into the pan the Mange tout, the pineapple chunks from the can, and 125 grams of washed bean sprouts. Again, mix all these ingredients together until combined in the sweet and sour sauce, then sprinkle over some sesame seeds. And now your sweet and sour chicken is ready to serve. This meal goes great simply served on its own, and it's the perfect dish to whip up if you're in a hurry.